The traditional approach to beauty is undergoing a profound transformation. For generations, our relationship with our skin has been guided by intuition, brand promises, and the occasional, often generalized, advice from a professional. It has been a monologue, where we apply products and hope for the best, interpreting the results through a subjective lens. But the era of ambiguity is fading, replaced by a demand for precision, personalization, and proof. We are moving from a world of mass-market solutions to one of hyper-individualized care, where technology acts as a translator between our skin's silent language and our conscious understanding. This new paradigm doesn't seek to replace the ritual of beauty, but to enrich it with data, turning anecdotal evidence into actionable intelligence. One of the clearest expressions of this shift is the rise of intelligent beauty mirrors. No longer just passive surfaces for reflection, these devices are becoming active participants in our wellness journeys. They represent the nexus of our daily routine and the vast potential of artificial intelligence. The mirror, once a simple tool, is being reimagined as a sophisticated diagnostic portal, a personal skin concierge available at any moment. It's a quiet revolution happening in the most personal of spaces, our bathrooms and vanities, where the morning glance is elevated into a meaningful exchange of information. This technology promises to demystify the complexities of our skin, offering a level of insight that was previously accessible only in a clinical setting. Connected mirrors now combine high-resolution cameras and AI analysis to guide daily routines step by step. Using a combination of spectral imaging and machine learning algorithms, these mirrors can perform a comprehensive scan in seconds. They identify and quantify metrics like hydration levels, pore size, wrinkle depth, and areas of hyperpigmentation or redness with clinical precision. The AI doesn't just see the surface, it interprets the data, cross-referencing it with vast dermatological databases to understand the underlying conditions. It then translates this complex analysis into a simple, actionable plan. The mirror might suggest a hydrating serum for a detected patch of dryness, or recommend a specific cleansing technique based on the day's pollution levels, which it can pull from environmental data feeds. It's a dynamic, responsive system that adapts the routine not just to the user, but to the day itself. They observe changes, track progress, and transform the mirror into a moment of dialogue rather than judgment. The traditional mirror can be a source of anxiety, reflecting only our perceived flaws. The smart mirror, however, reframes this interaction. By logging daily data, it provides context and perspective. A new fine line is not a sudden failure, but a data point to be addressed. An improvement in skin texture is not just a feeling, but a measured and celebrated success. This creates a positive feedback loop. The user feels empowered, not scrutinized. The mirror becomes a partner, offering encouragement and objective feedback that builds confidence. It fosters a relationship with one's skin that is rooted in understanding and patience, replacing the often critical inner monologue with a supportive, data-driven conversation. It's about progress, not perfection. Virtual makeup overlays allow precise application, while integrated product ecosystems recommend solutions adapted to real needs. Beyond diagnostics, these platforms close the loop between analysis and action. The augmented reality function is more than a novelty. It's a tool for risk-free experimentation, allowing users to test shades and styles with perfect accuracy before committing. But the true intelligence lies in the recommendation engine. Based on the skin analysis, the AI curates a personalized regimen, suggesting specific products whose ingredients are known to target the user's identified concerns. It moves beyond brand loyalty to focus on formulation and efficacy, creating a bespoke retail experience. This seamless integration of diagnosis, trial, and purchase streamlines the path to effective care, eliminating the guesswork and waste of trial and error purchasing. The mirror becomes more than a reflection. It becomes an interface between science, perception, and care. The digital revolution in beauty isn't just about new formulas or devices. It's about creating a deeply personal, intelligent, and responsive skincare journey. We are moving beyond the one-size-fits-all approach that has dominated the industry for decades. The future is a conversation, a partnership between you and your routine, facilitated by technology that truly understands your skin's unique language and history. This shift is powered by a new generation of digital companions. Another evolution is the emergence of AI skincare assistants. Imagine holding a product in your hand. Its label, a dense tapestry of scientific terms. For most of us, this is an intimidating barrier. But now, your phone becomes a translator, a personal chemist, and a trusted advisor all in one. These tools scan ingredient lists, translate complex formulations into clear language, and build routines based on individual objectives. They demystify the science, explaining not just an ingredient is, but it's been included and how it serves your specific goals, whether that's enhancing hydration, reducing hyperpigmentation, or strengthening your skin's natural barrier. The app doesn't just list ingredients, it contextualizes them. It cross-references the formulation with your stated skin concerns, your allergies, and even environmental factors like the current UV index or humidity in your location. This creates a dynamic, living recommendation, far more powerful than a static product description on a website. It's about transforming data into wisdom and confusion into confidence. This level of personalization is groundbreaking, but the true paradigm shift lies in the system's ability to learn and remember. It's not just a snapshot of your skin today. It's a continuous chronicle of its past, present, and potential future. But one feature stands out: skin memory. This is where the assistant transcends being a simple tool and becomes a true partner. It's the digital repository for your skin's entire history. Every triumph, every setback, every subtle change. AI systems now remember products tested, track reactions, and provide intelligent reminders for expiration dates and optimal usage. Did a certain serum with a high concentration of vitamin C cause slight irritation when you first used it 2 years ago? The AI remembers. It might suggest reintroducing it more slowly, or perhaps pairing it with a soothing barrier-repairing cream. It prevents you from repeating past mistakes and helps you build on past successes. The system logs your daily entries, photos, and notes, correlating them with the products you're using. Over time, it builds an unparalleled dataset that is exclusively yours, revealing patterns you would never be able to spot on your own. This transforms the entire experience. No longer are you simply following instructions on a bottle. Instead, you are engaged in a dynamic feedback loop. Skincare becomes a continuous learning process, not a one-time decision. The relationship between user and product turns into an ongoing conversation. The AI might prompt you, "We've noticed the humidity has dropped. Consider adding a layer of hyaluronic acid to your morning routine." Or, "You've finished your bottle of niacinamide. Based on your results, would you like to reorder or explore a new formulation with added zinc?" This is not about automation, it's about augmentation. It empowers you with institutional knowledge about your own body, fostering a deeper connection and understanding. It's a quiet, constant, intelligent presence dedicated to one thing: helping your skin achieve its most radiant, healthy state. This is the future of personal care, a seamless blend of science, data, and intuition. The intersection of beauty and technology has entered a new, deeply personal era. At the forefront of this transformation are augmented reality and artificial intelligence, working in concert to redefine the consumer experience. We are moving beyond simple filters and into a world of hyper-realistic simulation, where the digital and physical blur. This evolution is not merely about convenience, it's about creating a more intuitive, responsive, and empowering journey for every user. The barriers to experimentation are dissolving, replaced by a frictionless environment of discovery. Virtual try-on technologies continue to evolve rapidly. What began as a novel way to sample lipstick shades has matured into a sophisticated diagnostic and simulation tool. Today's systems can analyze skin tone, texture, and facial geometry with remarkable precision. They render products not as a flat overlay, but as a dynamic layer that interacts with light and movement, accurately simulating finishes from matte to gloss, and textures from powder to cream. This level of fidelity is crucial for building trust and bridging the gap between online browsing and real-world satisfaction. The technology learns from each interaction, becoming smarter and more attuned to individual preferences over time. Real-time makeup simulation increases confidence, reduces hesitation, and significantly improves engagement. When a user can see, with photorealistic accuracy, how a new foundation will look in different lighting conditions, or how a bold eyeshadow complements their eye color, the uncertainty of online purchasing disappears. This confidence translates directly into higher conversion rates and, more importantly, greater brand loyalty. It transforms the purchase decision from a gamble into an informed choice. The experience becomes less about selling a product and more about providing a personalized consultation, fostering a deeper connection between the consumer and the brand. At the same time, AI beauty agents allow users to create avatars, explore looks, and generate images and videos that reflect their personal aesthetic. These are not just static digital dolls, they are dynamic extensions of the user's identity. An AI agent can act as a personal stylist, curating entire looks based on a mood, an event, or an inspirational image. It can generate a portfolio of styles for the user to explore, from everyday professional to avant-garde creative, all applied to their own photorealistic avatar. This creative sandbox encourages play and self-expression, allowing users to step outside their comfort zones and discover new facets of their style identity in a private, judgment-free space. The agent becomes a collaborator in the user's beauty journey. This capability extends beyond makeup into the realm of skincare and wellness. By analyzing user-provided images or data, these agents can recommend personalized skincare routines, track progress over time, and demystify complex ingredient lists. They can suggest products that address specific concerns like hydration, firmness, or radiance, effectively acting as a 24/7 on-demand esthetician. The power of this technology lies in its ability to process vast amounts of data, from clinical studies to user reviews, and distill it into simple, actionable advice tailored to one individual. Behind these experiences are agent-based workflows, systems designed not just to display beauty, but to inspire, guide, and adapt. The inspire phase might involve presenting the user with curated mood boards or emerging trends. The guide phase uses virtual try-on and personalized recommendations to help the user navigate the options. Finally, the adapt phase learns from the user's choices, feedback, and even their browsing behavior to continuously refine and personalize future interactions. This cyclical process ensures that the platform grows with the user, becoming an indispensable part of their beauty ritual. It's a living system, constantly learning and evolving. Beauty platforms are no longer simple marketplaces. They are becoming intelligent advisors. The old model of a digital storefront, a static grid of products, is being replaced by a dynamic, conversational interface. The platform anticipates needs, offers proactive suggestions, and provides context that empowers the consumer. It understands that a user looking for a waterproof mascara might also be interested in a long-wear setting spray. It knows that a customer who previously bought products for sensitive skin should be alerted to a new hypoallergenic serum. This shift from a transactional relationship to an advisory one is the final crucial step in building a truly modern, customer-centric beauty ecosystem. It's the future of retail, where service, personalization, and technology converge. AI innovation now extends beyond vision. In olfactory discovery, AI translates scents into words using structured sensory descriptors. Customers explore fragrances in physical spaces, scan a code, and retrieve a personalized scent profile digitally. What connects all these innovations is not complexity, it is respect. Respect for the skin as a living system, respect for time and evolution, respect for human expertise. Intelligent beauty is not louder, it is more attentive. At HarmonIA Beauty, we believe technology should not dictate, it should listen. And when it does, beauty becomes not only smarter, but more humane, more sensory, and more aligned with life itself. HarmonIA Beauty, where science and technology shape the future of beauty.